Good evening from Senjec.
Hello and welcome to our ceremony evening. This is ACES.
Can you see the wave? Woo! We send greetings to people back home. The ACES ceremony is about to start. As we see, everything is ready. We have the blue drinks. We have the red carpet. There's a lake, beautiful people already dressed. So we are all getting ready. Cheers. Cheers.
Innovative learning, and this is what the jury thought about the project they especially liked. Alena.
Innovative learning brings new ways of learning and creative approaches. All of you probably think, yes, this is exactly what our project was about. And you are right. Nevertheless, one project represents in the best way all what ACES and innovative learning are. This project is about supporting blind children in their education through creation of audiobooks and plenty of other educational materials that were created by students themselves. This project's name is Your Voice Could Be a Part of the Solution, and it was done Okay. It was done by primary school Sveti Petar Orehovec from Croatia and Ivo Andrić from Serbia.
There will be a shake hands, there will be a handing over. Wow, one of the show group kids is coming up on stage. And of course, we have to have an official picture taken. Remember these people, you can ask them about what their project was all about. Innovative learning, how it was innovative. Another field of learning in ACES is student participation, how the young people can actively take a role, bring their decisions to the field, actually make an effect in what is going to happen. Student participation.